So welcome to the second series of SQL interview questions. This is very important part because joins in SQL is something which is very important, and we'll be covering joins today. This is half theory and most major is practical. Then difference between rank, dense rank, row number in SQL. This is again important question, and rest two are theory questions, trigger and DBMS, right? Okay. So what is a join? So I'll just tell you in short, join is nothing but when you want to combine two tables on a common column. Okay. And there are four types of joins in SQL, which is inner join. Okay. Then you've got left outer join, right outer join, and you've got full outer join. As the name suggests, inner Venn diagram, if we understand it by Venn diagram, the common part is the inner join. Okay, we'll see it in practical also. Left join is nothing but the table on the left side, entire table on the left side, plus the common in the right table. Okay, right? Then you've got here left and right again. Don't confuse with the left and right. I will position it only once. And the right, again, the right table, entire right table, and the common values in the left table, right? And full outer join is nothing but the combination, the entire column, entire table, left and right. Okay, so this was the four types of joins. Now how do you perform these joins? Because this is important in SQL, because if you're working with database, you will have to merge, you will have to join columns, and you should know how is it happening. You have to visualize it. Okay, so let's just see it with the help of an example. Okay, so here we are. So I will not show you this here. Okay, so I created a table which is employee 2, and here we have created one table again. It is employee 2. In the previous series also we created a table, that's why I'm not created it again, but just to give you an information that how this table looks like. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken employee ID, employee name here, and salary, and entered 6 values here. Okay, created a table and inserted values in this table. Next thing what I did was I created another table which was department, and in that I have created what I'm taken a common column which is employee ID, department name, and manager name, right? And inserted just 6 values in this so that we can perform join. Okay, so let's run this also. And now let me show you both the tables. So we will see both the tables. Okay, so this is the department table and this is the employee table. Now what we will do is let's perform joins. So firstly let's do the inner join. Okay, if you have not created these table, please create it. Okay, so the inner join, firstly we will write here select all from employee 2. Okay, I'm selecting all the columns, and then what I do is I'll just give it an aliasing. I'll do the substitute name E. Then I will perform the join, that is inner join. Inner join what? Department new table, let's take it D, on. Now I'm specifying the condition on what? On E dot employee ID. So on this common column I have to specify the column name also, so it will not get confused. So it will go to this table first, take the employee ID, match it with the another column. Okay, and go to the employee ID and check the common values. Okay, when I run this, what should be the answer? Since I'm saying it is an inner join, I will get only 1, 2, 5 and 6. Rest 3 and 4 will not come. Okay, let's see. This is what we got. We got 1, 2, 5 and 6. 3 and 4 was not even added here because it was not common. Okay, now I would simply copy this and write here left join, and let's just get the left join. Now what we will get in left join will be, okay, nothing but, let me show you both the tables first. So in the left join, this is my left table employee. I will get all the values of the left table and only 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 of the department table. Okay, so left join will not include 5 and it will include 5 and 6 also. Okay, so let's see what it gives me, and in 3 and 4 I will get null here. Okay, so it is giving me all the values, but here I'll get null because 3 and 4 were not there in the right column or right table, right? Similarly, on the, if I perform the right join, I can just write here, let's perform the right join. So all the values, let's see it again, all the values of the right table, right, and the common of the left table. So 3 4 will not come, right, 1 2 5 6 will come, right, and let's just perform this, right, and here 3 4, what I got, null. So this is almost the same. If I run both these queries, this is almost the same because of the values and the table positions. Okay, it is giving me all the values on the right table plus the null values which were not there in the right table, right? Okay, now if I perform the full outer join, what will the full outer join will result? Let's see. So I'll just have to change the name to full outer join, and here also I'll write here full outer join. Okay, this will also, it is also giving me the same result as this. So there's no such difference because in right join also I'm getting the same values because of my ID. Okay, had I just deleted these two values, I would have got a different result. Okay, all right, so this was about the joins, right, left, inner and full outer join. By default, okay, let me also tell you this thing, that by default SQL has inner join. It performs inner join by default. Okay, so you can see here that only the common values are coming, null values are not coming, which are not common to both the tables, right? So by default SQL performs inner join. Okay, the common values. This can also be asked in the interview. By default, what is the join type? It is inner. Okay, all right, now coming to the next question, and that is difference between rank, dense rank, row number in SQL. This is very important question. You should understand that rank, dense rank, row number, these are nothing but these are the window functions. And window functions I will cover in the coming up series, the coming up videos. So this is just an introduction to window function, rank, dense rank, row number. Please remember that I will refer to this video again because this is very important. You have to see it again so that things would be clear. Coming to the practical part of it. So now, since I have these two tables, let me just call them again. Okay, so I have got these basic tables. Okay, now what I want is I want to perform rank, dense rank, and row number. I want to see the difference. How would I see? So let's just let's select all, and then let me write here, show you the rank, how rank performs. Now this is the syntax of rank, and since it's a window function, I will have to write here over, and I will write here order by salary. Let's take salary because let's order. So what is my objective here? So I want to see the employee's salary from highest to lowest and also their rank, right? So highest to lowest is descending, order by salary descending, and let me give it a name, that is, this is rank salary. Okay, next would be dense rank. Okay, let's create dense rank, and this is over. Again, order by salary, and same thing, descending, and this is here dense rank. Okay, dense rank salary, so that we can compare. And the last is the row number. Again, the same thing I'll copy. Okay, over, and this will be row number, right? And I have to give the table name, so this is from, take it from employee to, that's what it is. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, now if you can see the result, what we get here, the salaries have been arranged in descending order, the highest being ranked number 1, and you can see here in rank salary you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then 6, right? That means one rank is skipped here, but here 3, 4, 999 was repeated, so they have been given the same name, or you can say the same rank, right? And in dense rank, the rank is not skipped. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So dense rank will not skip the rank, but rank will skip the rank. But the duplicate will not be skipped. They will be given the same rank. Okay, so don't get confused. This is duplicates will be the same, but rank will be skipped. 4, 4, then 6. Okay, row number, what it will do? It will just assign unique numbers to each row. It is just for numbering, that's all. Okay, so we understand that there are 6 unique rows, and it will not assign any rank or something like that. It will just give it, assign a unique row. Okay, so this was about rank, dense rank, and row number. Now coming back to our theory questions, what is trigger? Okay, so now trigger is something which is an advanced type of query, but let's just have a glimpse of what is trigger. Okay, triggers. Okay, so trigger, it is a set of instruction or actions, and they are automatically executed when certain specific events occur. For example, if somebody inserts something in the database, you can set a trigger. You would understand that, okay, someone is violating the rules, someone is doing something which one should not do, so a trigger will be set. Someone updates, someone deletes, someone drops, so trigger can be set just to maintain the data integrity. Okay, so why do you use it? When you want to maintain the data integrity, when you want to enforce the business rules, and also when you want to automate the task, right? When certain changes occur in the database, so you just automate it. If some aberration occurs, if something happens, then this should happen. Okay, so these are the triggers that you set. Okay, you should just know what are triggers, right? Okay, so set of instruction or actions that are automatically executed. Now next question is, what is DBMS? Okay, so we know the full form of it. It's database management system. But what it does? Okay, it's a software that manages and organizes your database, and it allows the user to manipulate data efficiently. Okay, so we were using like I was using the Microsoft SQL Server. So this is one of the what DBMS, okay, which is managed by Microsoft, and it allows me to organize and manage the database, right? I can interact with it, I can update, delete, I can store, manipulate, and do all sort of things. So it provides features like data storage, data retrieval, manipulation, integrity and security. There are certain constraints that you can set, certain limits, triggers that you can set, right? Concurrency control, and so on. So these are the functionalities or features which DBMS provide. And few examples are, you can work on MySQL, Postgres server, Microsoft server, or Oracle database. Okay, so this is DBMS. Some basic questions you should know that it is a data management system which would help you to manage and organize your database. Okay, all right. So this is it for this video, and in the next we will understand scalar functions, aggregate functions, window functions, and so on. Okay, till then, thank you and happy learning.